Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can open Reasons bank account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser and search Reasons Bank. And click on Open Bank Account Online. After that, scroll down a bit. You can see various options from which you can choose any of them. For instance, let's click on Savings. Again, scroll down a bit and click on Open Now. Next, you have to select New Customer. There are various steps which should be followed for opening an account. Very first step is that providing them with your personal information. You have to enter them correctly and click on Next. In next page, they will ask for your more information. You have to give them all of your correct information. By providing them with all the correct information and following the steps, your account will be signed up. So this is how you open an account in Reasons Bank. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.